Bye.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. But if you are new here, join the party by subscribing down below and enabling all post notifications so that you never miss out on any of your girls' videos. Alright, so I'm still wearing my beautiful butterfly locks. If you have not yet seen this video, I'm gonna link it right above in the iCards so you can check it out after, not before, after you finish watching this video, and sharing your thoughts down in the comment section. My inspiration for this video is this palette that I ran across that I have never used. It is called the Absolute New York True Palettes Element. So it's the Element palette. And when I saw these three kind of earthy tones, it inspired me. I actually was going to do the green one first, but I didn't find that I had any like transition shades that I really liked. So I chose these two to create today's look, which is super easy to do. If you have any palette that is close to this, I know that naked palettes are usually very natural, earthy tone. So you can use any eyeshadow palette that you have that has similar shades to recreate this look. If you choose to recreate this look, I would love to see your recreation by tagging me on Instagram, which is right here, and just follow me at Designed by Jordan so that I can see your recreation. As always, guys, thank you so much for your continued love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. And also, your girl is officially on her way to 1K subscribers. I mean, the journey has been long, but I'm not rushing it. It's definitely a journey and just something that I want you guys to be here with me for. So if you're interested in beauty, lifestyle contents, and vlogs, definitely be sure to subscribe down below. Enable all post notifications. Without any further talking, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another voiceover. So if you've been here for a minute, you know that I always base my eyeshadow using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade True Beige. I am now gonna go in with my BH Fair Cosmetics my BH Cosmetics Fairy Light palette, and I picked up the shade that you saw on your screen earlier as my first shade. And the style that I like to use, or the design that I like to use, is to first go in by creating the shape I want my eyeshadows to have. After I pack in that color real nice and tight, I'm not dragging it really, I'm just buffing it in by packing it in. Now I'm going in with a blending brush using those two colors from the same palette to basically transition that first shade and create a flow of colors towards the end, from starting from the darkest shade to the second darkest shade to the lightest shade underneath my eyebrows. Now after that has been done, I go into this first bronzy from my Absolute New York True Elements palette. After I put it on, I went back in with that Edna Mord, the first shade, in my crease area and in my outer wing section to deepen and enrichen that color. I then went in with this other earthy tone from the New York Absolute palette, True Elements palette, and I placed that directly on the center portion of my eyelid because I wanted to have like a halo effect and to let that area pop. Now off camera I completed my other eye as well as I popped on some lashes, and now I'm going in with foundation. For foundation today, I chose the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. Of course, again, if you've been here, it is one of my favorites. For my concealer now, I'm gonna go in using another one of my favorites, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I typically mix this shade, or mix two shades together to get my tone. So I would suggest, if you are not finding the color that is perfect or best for you to highlight with, that you consider mixing 2 shades to get the right shade that will complement and suit your complexion. Now for contour, of course, again, I am using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Blending out my contour and highlight, starting with my contour, then I will move on to my highlight. Set my face, I am using the Sacha Buttercup loose powder. That's the banana shade. I have not used this in a while, guys. I've been all about my Airspun Coty loose powder, so today I thought, you know, let me just switch things up. Of course, we are using this loose powder to set or highlights. For the contour, I actually used this MAC press powder that I have, which I think was just absolutely perfect. And yeah, so after I use that and I did everything else, I'm just gonna basically go in once more with my pressed powder and just blend and melt my contour and my highlight together to make sure that they are seamless. For blush today, I am using this blush by Black Radiance. I'm not sure what the name of this specific shade is, but if you are interested in knowing, let me know down in the comments and I will definitely let you know what I used. Now I'm just touching up my eyebrows a little bit because, you know, I got a lot of powder on them. And then I'm going in with lip with this L'Oreal lip pencil. Again, I don't remember the name, but if you are interested, I will definitely reply to your comment if you leave me a comment in the comment section. And then for lips, I'm using this glossy lip balm from Palladio, I believe, and then I went in with this wonderful lippy from Lachambe Cosmetics, which is just wonderful. For highlights, I am using the Maybelline Chrome Master highlight, which is one of my favorite as well. I just love how it has this little watery glossy finish to it, which is just so good, so good. Look at that. Look at that. And that is basically it. This is what the final look looks like. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Design by Jordan. Subscribe down below if you have not yet done so, and please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you have not yet done so, or if you like this type of content. As always, it was my pleasure. Let me know down in the comment section so we can have a discussion, and I just want you guys to continue being safe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.